guys, welcome back to Beyond Beauty Z. My name is Talitha and today's video is inspired by Taylor Swift's Delicates video that just came out. So pumped about it, and so this is the look for it, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques foundation brush and use my e.l.f. porcelain foundation and just whip that over the face as you would. Using my Mika Cosmetic contour brush, I'm going to grab my Cocoa Contour palette and apply the medium shade just under my cheekbones and then blend out from there. Then grabbing a blush, I'm using my Natio Cream 2 powder blush. You just apply that. In the video it's like not on her top of the cheeks, kind of more middle and under, blended into the contour, so that is what I did as well. Using my smoky shader brush, I just got some light white eyeshadow, applied that on the base. Then afterwards I did grab a dark colour, do that around the crease. Yes, it does look messy, but that's how it's supposed to, because then you grab, and I'm using my Mika Cosmetic blending brush, and I just blend it all together and voila. Then I'm using my Foolproof Benefit brow powder and I'm applying that on my eyebrows like so, then brushing them out into the shape that I want them in. Going back in with my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette, I'm grabbing the highlighter and just doing a very light covering on the top of my cheekbones, down my nose, above my lip, and then after that I'm going to be getting as much mascara off my mascara brush that I can, then applying that, because again in the video her makeup is very light and natural, more so I really wanted a lighter coverage of mascara to really get that look. So you can use a lipstick, lip balm, whatever, but I'm using my lip tint and it's the e.l.f. one as well. I'm just applying it as if it was a lipstick. I'm then also going to grab a coat of dark eyeshadow powder because I don't have the specific shade that she has. But I just used a dark purpley shadow from my It's Judy's Time palette, which really created that dark maroon. This video. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with your other Swifties. We know who we are. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I really loved her video. I feel that she was just so free, and like, you know, people couldn't see her or whatever, but she was just like dancing, made all these weird faces, but faces we do at home, you know, the kind of like triple chin, or you know, like the little that thing. It's just my heart, Taylor. Can't wait to see you when you come to NZ. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys just loved this video, loved her video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.